Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Wednesday, the happiest day in the week. That means we have Wish Wednesday. Okay, guys, so you wish for songs. I bring some of them up here on Gordon Guitar, and this time it's you, Etienne. You wished for Henry Verus' song called Somebody Like Me. Alright, so Henry has been with us before here on this channel at least a couple times. What I can recall, songs like She Set the Bar Out of Reach is one of them. I believe Don Julio or something like that is one of them as well. Maybe some more. But anyway, let's focus on Somebody Like Me. So thank you, Etienne, for highlighting this one on Gordon Guitar. Let's check this one out. It's pretty easy. Let's go into the grips. I'm just going to show you the easiest grips here for this one. We're going to play some finger picking. So it will be no need for any full chords or strumming or like that. So just some grips. So this one is the C major 7. You hold one finger on this 3rd fret A string. I do it with my little ring finger. And then one finger on the 2nd fret D string. I use my mid finger. That's the first grip. The next grip is this one. It's the 2nd fret A string, and I use my index for that, and then the 4th fret D string, I use my ring finger for that. That's the second grip. And then we also got the last one. It's like this. So you can actually keep that 2nd fret A string with that index finger and just go down with the ring finger to the 3rd fret B string. And that's the third and final grip. That's about the grips. Let's go into this pattern here. And we have just 2 rounds that alternate each other throughout the song. That's it. So let's go from the beginning. We're going to start with this part. Okay, so you hold that first C major grip, and you're going to play 3rd fret A string, then 2nd D, then open G, then 2nd D, and then you pick open G and open B together. Okay, then a short pause, then this. Okay, so that's the next grip. You're gonna play the 2nd fret A string, 4th D, and then again open G and open B together. And then you have this 3rd grip. You're gonna play. That is to play open E string in the bass, then 2nd A, and then open G and 3rd B together. Okay, so that's the first round. And then you're going to alternate this round we just learned with the next one. So you're going to play again the C major 7 exactly in the same way as you played it before. So, and then you go to this 2nd grip and you're going to play this part. That's it. So you're gonna play 2nd fret A string, 4th D, open G, back to 4th D, then open B, a short little pause there, and then open G and 4th D. And that's the second round. And you just alternate these rounds. So I'm going to take you through both of these rounds very slowly so you really can hear all the notes there. Let's go from the beginning. That's it. And you just run this from the beginning till the very end, and that is how you handle Henry Verus' song called Somebody Like Me. Alright, nice, soft, and pretty easy song to play, guys. No need for any cape, as you can see, just 3 single grips, and that's it. So yeah, good luck with this one. Etienne, thank you for being on this channel, and if you want your song, I'm not speaking just for you, Etienne, for everybody out there, then comment wherever you want. I read all comments, and you can just mention a song. I will understand that is for Wish Wednesday. So yeah, let's go together, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, play tuned.